If you're facing a Medicaid crisis and considering hiring a lawyer, using ChatGPT before your first consultation can make a real difference. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for learning the basics. It can explain general Medicaid eligibility rules, help you understand terms like the 5-year look-back period, and even generate a checklist of documents you'll need for your application. By asking ChatGPT about topics like spousal protections or the difference between countable and exempt assets, you'll walk into your attorney meeting with a solid foundation. But it's important to know where AI's limits are. ChatGPT can't give you legal advice tailored to Missouri or Arkansas, and it won't know about the latest state-specific rule changes that could impact your case. For example, Missouri allows single applicants to keep over $6,000 in assets, while Arkansas sticks to the $2,000 federal limit, a detail AI often misses. Relying on ChatGPT for strategy or deadlines can lead to costly mistakes if you don't double-check with a professional. The best approach? Use ChatGPT to organize your financial records, clarify your questions, and understand the basics. Then, bring that preparation to your attorney. You'll save time, reduce legal fees, and be ready to focus on strategies that actually protect your family's assets. When the stakes are high, education is your starting point, but expert guidance is what truly keeps your wealth safe.